Have you ever wondered if miracles still happen? If faith can truly move mountains? Picture this, a world where the impossible becomes possible, where dreams are realized not by mere strength, but by an unwavering belief in the unseen. This is the world of faith, a realm where miracles are born and the extraordinary becomes ordinary. In this world, a young girl named Priscilla dared to dream the impossible. Meet Priscilla, a young girl with a dream and an unwavering faith. Priscilla, fresh out of school, had a dream. Not any common dream, but a dream to serve her country as a soldier. She knew her physical abilities might not match up to the rigorous demands of the military, yet her spirit was undeterred. The hurdle of athleticism, a daunting challenge for many, did not deter her. Her heart pulsated with determination, her spirit ablaze with the dream of donning the uniform. And so, with faith as her fuel, she stepped into the soldier recruitment process. The first recruitment stage, a grueling 10 kilometers run. Priscilla didn't make the cut, or so it seemed. The race was a battle of wills, a test of strength and endurance. Priscilla ran, her heart pounding in her chest, her breath coming in short gasps. But she didn't make it to the top 50. Her dream seemed to be slipping away. But here's where the story takes an unexpected turn. Even in the face of defeat, Priscilla chose to sit with the winners. She held on to her faith, refused to let go of her dream. She believed, even when the odds were against her. And then something unexpected happened. The instructor was counting the qualifiers, but the count stopped at 49. There was confusion, a recount, and still the number remained one short. The instructor asked if anyone hadn't been called. Priscilla raised her hand. Was it a mistake, a miscalculation, or was it? The instructor, puzzled, realized he was one short, and there was Priscilla ready to fill the gap. Picture this. In the midst of confusion and uncertainty, Priscilla boldly raised her hand. Her faith, unshaken by the earlier setback, was her guiding light. She wasn't on the initial list, yet she believed in her heart that she was meant to be part of the 50 qualifiers. She stood up, heart pounding, and announced to the world that she was the missing piece. Her faith was tested, questioned, but it never wavered. Instead, it seemed to grow stronger, more potent. Her belief sparked a miracle. The instructor, fuming initially, conceded and wrote down her name as the 50th qualifier. Priscilla, the girl who failed the race, had now secured her place in the next stage of soldier recruitment. Her faith had turned the tables. In the face of defeat, Priscilla's faith had brought her a miracle, a testament to the power of believing even when the odds are against you. Priscilla's story is more than just a tale of unexpected victory. It's a testament to the incredible power of faith. A young woman, her dreams seemingly out of reach, dared to believe. She held steadfast to her faith, even in the face of disappointment. And through her faith, a miraculous opportunity unfolded. The lesson here is clear. Faith can move mountains, turn tides, and even correct a recruitment instructor's counting error. For those who believe, miracles are just a leap of faith away.